Hello YouTubers, Chicago PR Prepper here, and this is my third installment on the Altoid cans, the tin cans. The other two was fire starting and first aid. The third one is my EDC. So everything I have here will be posted below in the description box. So we're going to start with the Ranger tabs. I like my Ranger tabs. Okay. We're going to start with the top. For your eyeglasses, little cloth. It's my little reader with a ruler, magnifying glass, sandpaper, 120, little pry bar, also to pry open things, and the screwdriver, not a screwdriver, but pull out nails. Key ring, and I took this out of another piece, but I could attach the key ring to this and use it as for my keys. Compass. This working. North, that way. Screwdriver with the bits. Got the little bits right here. I know I got more of them around there somewhere. And I can use this pry bar also to, if I gotta torque it down a little bit more. See? So, retractable pen. It's not good on recycled paper. I just noticed that. Oh boy. Got a blade. Fingernail cutter. It's pretty good. Tried it out already. Tweezers. Got more bits here. Safety pin. Paper clip. Can opener. And my Gerber dime. So it's got little scissors. Works just fine. Tried it out the other day. It's got a can opener. Box cutter. Let's see what else. Knife. Little knife. It's on the other side here. Got one more item. Here we go. Screwdriver tip. And I got magnets in the bottom to hold it down, but it's not working, so I might have to try out those earth magnets. So I got all the stuff in there. and I saw I could fit one more thing, so I'm going to figure out what else I can fit in there, and then I'll do a 1.2 on my EDC. Hope you found this useful, and until next time, Chicago PR Prepper.